how to trade options on Moomoo. So if you want to trade options on Moomoo, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Google and search for how to trade options on Moomoo. And here you will have the official website which will guide you on how you need to trade options. So go with www.moomoo.com, which says how to trade options. Once you're on the official website, here it will give you the different types of options, which are call options and put options. You need to scroll down a bit, and you will also have other options, trading terminology. You'll have the information about the bid, ask, volume, open interest, strike price, expiration date, and all of the other information. Now, if you want to trade options, then here's the process. First, it says you need to open an options trading account. Before you can trade options, you'll need to open an options trading account. A number of online brokers allow for options trading. So it's important to do your research as to which one will be the best fit for your needs. Next, you need to pick which options to buy or sell. Based on your research and investment strategy, you can identify which options you would like to buy or sell. Identify the option within your online trading account. Next, you need to consider the option strike price. So the next step in securing an option is to consider the option strike price. Investors will choose a strike price that suits their investment goals and objectives, which is where the role of technical or fundamental analysis becomes so important in shaping a sound options trading strategy. You can learn more about it on the technical analysis. You can tap on technical analysis and you'll be able to learn more about it. Your choice of option time frame is best supported by rigorous research and a strategic approach to the most likely time frame that may return a profit on your premium. Next, you need to decide whether to buy or sell and place your trade. Once you've identified the underlying stock, select the option strike price and determine the option time frame. It's time to decide whether to buy or sell and to place your trade accordingly. Next, you need to monitor your position, which is possible by keeping clear records, evaluating trades, and optimizing trading decisions. Investors can continue to strengthen their approach to options trading, learning from past wins and losses in order to refine their strategy. In this way, you'll be able to trade options on Moomoo, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.